What I'd love to talk to you about today is the importance of this gift called water. We are 70% water, and it does matter that it's important that we keep the planet clean so that we can have this beautiful abundance that we're given. So how do you know if you're drinking enough water? Everyone says 8 glasses or 2 litres a day. What I tend to do is get a beautiful jug of water, pour in 2 litres into a bottle and make sure that I'm drinking it. So if your urine is dark yellow, you're not getting enough. Your urine should be the colour of straw. And the difference, just whack a couple of litres down and you will function at a better rate completely. Here's a statistic, just 2% dehydration affects your memory, your attention and other cognitive skills. That's if you're just 2% dehydrated, and most of us are. And the one thing I definitely never drink out of is plastic, because this is going to leach endocrine disruptors and bad chemicals inside me if I'm drinking out of this. Imagine if this is in the car and it's a really hot day and all the plastic chemicals are coming out in this water and are going to be bad toxins for me. So I never ever drink out of plastic. So if you can, find these beautiful little recyclable bottles. I keep all of these things. I'm a huge recycle queen and I just love finding these old bottles. I put them in the car. I've got one with soapy water, one with normal water, and if I get sticky hands, I just give my hands a wash. Look after our planet, because this is looking after us with this beautiful thing called water, and I cannot tell you how much it means to me that we make a difference on a daily basis to keep our planet clean so that that in turn can actually fuel us with the simple gift of water. Also, a little tip, you can just put a pinch of Himalayan salt in your water if you want to as well, and that gives you a beautiful hit of minerals and things if you're doing yoga or sweating. Such a gorgeous little thing to do. You can hardly taste the salt in it, it's just giving you a nice hit of little minerals. But anyway, your water, your planet is giving us this gift. We have to make sure that we're not polluting it. And another really beautiful thing that is a tip and a gift that I found myself, 4:30 in the morning, waking up in the morning, and the first thing I drank in the morning was a beautiful glass of lemon water in the morning, which is so alkalining and good for you. But I noticed that I was gulping it really quickly and I was still feeling quite stressed. So if I can suggest that you just get your water and kind of thank it for its gift, and then you straight away slow yourself down and actually drink the water quietly. And then your cells are not kind of getting the wrong messages. So if you're fully stressed, you're stressing your cells on a cellular level. So love the water, and the water in turn will just love you back. It's amazing. Here's a little tip too. In the car, I've got one of these each side of the car. When one's empty, I grab the other one. And I'll tell you what, these are amazing. They keep lovely and cold in the summertime. Water becomes the cup. So look after our beautiful earth and the water and where it comes from. Be mindful of what you're drinking out of, and be good to yourself by giving yourself lots of water in the day. Enjoy. Your Net Mum.